Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another base website. You can claim your free cryptocurrency. This website pay you just a Bitcoin and pay a lot of people much more money. And let's get started. Okay, this is the website. This website pay much more amount of dollar to this much happy users this website have, and this much withdrawal taken from this website, and this much days this website online. And this is the all withdrawal proof of this website paid the all people around the world. First of all, you come in this website link available in description. Just put your email, username, password, and confirm password. Solve facility capture. You can easily make an account. I have already account. Just I put my email address and put my password, and just I solve the capture, click login. I log in myself to this website. And the best and the first way you can earn from this website is the Faucet. Faucet is one of the best website. You can easily make your amount every 5 minutes. You can claim this much tokens and 90 time claim per day. First of all, solve the facility capture and solve this recapture and capture. Just collect your reward. And you can click OK, and you can see I collected my reward. The next way is the Faucet. You can claim Faucet. This will be pay you every 15 minutes this much tokens and 60 time claim per day. Just first of all solve the facility capture available in here, and then solve the recapture in here, and just collect your reward. And you can see I claim my amount again too. And the next way is a further while. This will be pay you energy, okay, and tokens. So a lot of time this doesn't work, but this time I try my best to this will be work. And first of all I solved the and capture, then I solve this one. I just roll it. I will be earn how much coin I didn't know. Okay, this is I earn and receive tokens. Okay, and every 30 minutes I come back and claim again. And the next way earning is a Ptc ads. You can watch the Ptc ads. Available ads is a 10 for right now. This will not have too much advertisement, but one day will be have a much more advertisement in this website. You can claim every 10 seconds. You can see this timer is not too high. You can just click one of the advertisement, watch the advertisement for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds you can claim your free cryptocurrency instantly in your balance. And you can see 3, 2, 1, 0, and just solve this facility capture and just click verify capture. You can easily make your free cryptocurrency from this website. This website pay you tokens, and you can convert tokens to Bitcoin. The next way is a short links. You can visit the short links. You can earn much more amount for visiting short links. You can see 22 short links available in here, and you can earn this much tokens from the short links and this much energy. You can claim all of the short links and you can watch. The next way is a survey. You can watch the survey. If you want, you can complete the survey. I didn't recommend you, but if you want, you can complete it. And the next way is the task. You can complete the task. You can see make one of the video, publish in YouTube. This is the all rules about the video, and this is the tokens this website pay you if you publish this video to YouTube. And you can make a post in Twitter, and this is all members you can get, and you can get much more amount from this website. Okay, and the next way is a lottery ticket. You can buy a lottery ticket. You can participate in a contest, and you can be maybe you can be a winner. You can see this person 2 times win this contest, and this is the person win 1 time, 2 time, 3, 4 and 5 time win this contest, and this person win 2 time this contest, and they make much more amount from this website. And the next way is a multiplier coin. You can start beating and you can make much more coin from here too, but I didn't recommend you. And the next one is a concept. You can beating amount in here too, you can make much more amount. The next way is achievements. You can earn much more tokens from achievements too. If you complete this much faucet, this much and this much, if you watch then the advertisement, you can earn this much tokens. You can complete 50 short links, you can earn this much amount. Okay, and right now I'm in dashboard to share with you the minimum withdrawal amount. The minimum withdrawal amount is this much. If you reaching this much amount, you can withdraw your amount to your faucet pay Bitcoin, like Bitcoin. Okay, and this is the minimum tokens available in here. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos, and this website link available in description. I'll be sharing with you the withdrawal proof soon as possible. Thanks for watching guys, bye bye for now.